Good evening, model railroaders. Debbie and I would like to wish all of you a happy Thanksgiving. And I wanted to take this time to announce that I'll be taking the week off from live stream, so there will not be any live stream tonight or on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Hope to see you again after Thanksgiving, and I got my Santa cap ready for after Thanksgiving. I got it sitting right here. I dug it out. Been working today on the G scale stuff. Got it underneath the tree. I'll show you a short clip here in a minute. And it took about 3 hours to get a sanding block and clean up all the track, because it's been sitting in my daughter's basement for about the last, let's say 15 years. Because she hasn't been using it since her dog started terrorizing everything. So it's been sitting in her basement, and the tracks were pretty crappy. So finally got it running, and I'm going to be putting on an HO inside of it. So I'll be doing that in the next couple of days. And took my van to the shop today, and it's got a bad torque converter. It's under warranty, but the people that underwrite the warranty want to send out a representative to take a look at it. And it's going to take 24 to 48 hours for them to get here. And so I'm without a vehicle until probably after Thanksgiving, because who knows? They're not working Thanksgiving. Might not even be working Friday or Saturday either. So we'll see. So I'm going to be stuck here at the house doing a lot of things right here, but no live streams. Taking the week off from live streams. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and we'll see you again next week. And I'll have some short clips here, and then I'm going to put up the thank you for those who support this channel, because I got to put that up there to show my support for you for supporting this channel. The people that contribute monetarily, and for those subscribers also who are here or not here, whichever. So, see ya. can now support me on my locals community, Tom's Train of Thought. Membership is free, and by clicking the join button, you can support me for as little as $5 per month. Link is in the description and in the chat. Thank you for your contributions during the live stream. I really appreciate it. I would also like to thank all the moderators who have helped me out in the past years. Thank you very much. We're keeping the Christmas tree small this year and not a lot of decorations out, so until the next time, we'll see ya. And have fun with whatever you're doing, and happy Thanksgiving.